Assalamualaikum dear viewers. In this video I will teach you how you can use fancy keyboard in your Android mobile. Now you can see that my keyboard is by default Google keyboard. This is a by default keyboard of my mobile phone. Now I want to use fancy keyboard. How can I do this? You can learn in this video. Open Play Store. Type here HiTap keyboard. Now you have to install this keyboard. Accept. This will take some time to download the application. You can also check out similar apps that is available on Play Store like these. You can also use Go Keyboard. Our app is downloading now. It's about 70%. App is downloaded successfully. Now it's installing. Now our app is installed. Now click on open. Now click on enable HiTap. Click OK. Now click on HiTap. Click OK. Select HiTap. Now you can choose here from languages. You can also download some other languages from here. Click next. Choose your theme. I am using black theme. Done. Now here you can also set themes from here and download themes from internet. I have set a black theme that I also like every time when I install HiTap keyboard. Now you can check out that my keyboard looks different than Now you can check that my keyboard looks different than my by default keyboard, and you can scroll emoji to type numbers. It's a very good feature. Thank you very much for watching my this video. Allah Hafiz.